It's about 4 in the morning now, but I've been driving for almost an hour to get here. Just doing a little stargazing at Devil's Tower National Monument. Pictures are coming out really good, but video not so much. See you when it gets a little lighter. I am the only one here. There's nobody else in the parking lot. This is a famous little photo spot. It's a little bit cold, but not too bad. So, this bench says it's placed here in honor of all dads who introduced their children to the outdoors. Like my dad. Thanks, Dad. Love you. So this Joyner Ridge Trail is about 1.5 miles, I believe. So I won't be out here for too long. Something about the way the sun hits the meadows in the morning is just so comforting and calming and lovely. This is a pretty dang spectacular way to start a day. And it's zero complaints. It's been such a beautiful, perfect morning. I love it out here. I'm having way too much fun just taking like pictures here. The views are so good on this trail. Can't believe I've never done it before. But the rest of the hike is like one of these down and then up. It's like 200 feet of elevation change and then coming back up. Since I didn't go to the museum or learn anything this time around, I thought I'd share a little
bit of history about this incredible place. For thousands of years, different indigenous groups have called this place home or been visitors for hunting or spiritual purposes. The Treaty of 1868 guaranteed this region to the indigenous people at the time who had resided here for centuries. Various groups have called this place something else, such as Mateo Teepee or Grizzly Bear Lodge, and many of the legends about its origin had something to do with bears. The name Devil's Tower comes from about 1880 when indigenous people started calling it the Bad God's Tower. In typical USA fashion, General Custer and the U.S. government broke the treaty in 1874, 6 years after it was established, to pursue gold, and the area was quickly taken over by settlers and miners looking to take advantage of the land. The native people were pressured to sell the land to those settlers, and when they refused, war erupted, and the native people were driven out of the area by forces they were not prepared to compete with.
Okay, fork in the road. Join a ridge where we're going. Or there's a fork that goes and connects to the Red Beds Trail. There's like some red rock over there. I haven't been to that part of the park, but I don't think I'm going to do that today.
Devil's Tower was the first ever national monument established in 1906 by President Theodore Roosevelt. It was then an additional 25 years or so before it became a tourist attraction due to accessibility as the roads were constructed.
We are back to the parking lot. Sure looks different in the day with all the lights on. A closer look. It is so beautiful out here. A little bit of fall foliage. Quick stop for the prairie doggies. Gotta say hi before we leave. Oh, this is so cool. He's so cute. They're so cute. Hi, prairie dogs. Hi, baby. only place to get coffee around here. It's called Sept's. Got a bagel, jalapeno cheese, looks good. My cold brew. Amazing. Wyoming has a lot of pretty nice rest areas. Some information about rest areas around here if you want to read it. Pause.
I forgot to record a closeout to this video, but I ended up getting back into the greater Denver area pretty late, and I was so exhausted after having been up since 3 a.m. that morning. The next day, my plan was to finally explore Rocky Mountains National Park. I've been there like 5 times and never really had a chance to really go into the park due to snow or a lack of reservation or whatever. I can't wait. I'll see you there.
Man, something about the roads in Wyoming, I'm constantly, every time I drive through here, and Montana, I get a giant crack in the windshield. Giant trucks just kicking up rocks, coming from the other direction. It wasn't even like I was tailgating somebody. I couldn't have avoided it. It's just a bummer.
Looks like we might get some rain once we get back into Colorado. Just about to cross back in. And we're back in Colorado. My favorite pit stop.
Today I'm trying the Buc-ee's turkey barbecue sandwich. I'm on a no red meat situation right now. But added barbecue sauce, pickles, and onions. Moment of truth.
I would order the turkey again. It's pretty good.
Really can't beat Buc-ee's prices.